Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to install the Oracle extension for GeoServer. You can find it here on the GeoServer page under vector formats. You want to be sure that you're installing it for your version. Very important. Okay, and because Tomcat is running as user Tomcat, we want to make sure that we install the extension as that user. Okay, so let's switch to user Tomcat, and we want to go to the GeoServer lib directory, and now let's use wget to download the extension from the GeoServer site. Copy link address. Go ahead and unzip that. Okay, and now we have downloaded the extension, and let's go ahead and restart Tomcat for the changes to take effect in GeoServer. And now if you go to Stores, Add New Store, we see that Oracle is now available as a vector data source. Okay, so logged into OCI under Autonomous Database Information. If you go to Network, Access Control List, and click Edit. In Edit Access Control List, for IP notation type will be IP address, and for values we'll put in the IP of our GeoServer instance. And let's go ahead and click Save. And then back under Network, under Mutual TLS Authentication, click Edit. And here we'll deselect Require Mutual TLS Authentication and click Save. And let's go ahead and click on the Database Connection tab. And under Database Connection, scroll down to Connection Strings and go ahead and copy the connection string here. Okay, so in Oracle Cloud we have enabled an access control list. We've added our GeoServer IP to the list, and we have disabled mutual TLS authentication, and finally we copied the connection string. And now let's go ahead and create the store. Use stores, add new store, Oracle NG. Okay, and select the workspace you want to create the store in. Select the workspace I created, Oracle, and the data source name. I'm going to my OC icon and a description. And in the connection parameters, go ahead and remove localhost and the port. And in the database field, paste in the connection string from OCI. And for schema, put in the user schema. This is optional, but if we don't add it, it will display objects from outside of the user schema. And then the Oracle username and password. And scroll down and click Save. Okay, and we can see it has pulled in the layers that are available from the schema. I actually only have one layer in here, Parks, and the layer is now ready to publish in GeoServer.